Welcome to Savannah Black Surge, the ultimate penis enlargement supplement. For centuries, men have been searching for ways to increase the size of their penis. While there have been many products on the market, none have been as effective as Savannah Black Surge. Savannah Black Surge is an all-natural supplement that is safe and produces visible results quickly. After just a few weeks of use, you will begin to see a noticeable difference in size and your confidence. The product itself is easy to use and free of any side effects. It is made with natural herbs, minerals, and vitamins that work together to increase blood flow and circulation to the penis, resulting in larger and longer-lasting erections. The best part? You won't need to worry about any complicated surgery or expensive pills. Just 2 capsules of Savannah Black Surge a day, and you will begin to see a difference within just a few weeks. So what are you waiting for? Try Savannah Black Surge today and experience the ultimate penis enlargement supplement.